do you do your payouts bi-weekly? Do you do your payouts monthly? Or it depends with when you get the profits?
It depends whenever I get the profits. As I always say that whenever PROPFIRMs are like generating money. Once you get a profit, let it be 1% or let it be 2%. Get that out. Get that out. Whatever it is. Maybe let it be 1,000. You may see some 1,000 here. Or
Yes,
some
yes,
may
yes.
see 2,000 here.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes you see 4,000. Sometimes you see 6,000.
yeah.
You understand? The thing is that whenever you get a profit from a PROPFIRM,
Yes.
get the payout. Get the payout.
The Mind of a Trader podcast, where we outthink the market.
If you're in a trade right now, take a pause. If you haven't analyzed the markets, don't move. This might be what you need. This is the Mind of a Trader podcast, where we cut through the noise, focus on execution, and break down the mindset behind every move. This is where discipline meets strategy. I am your host, presenter Ali, and this is where real traders sharpen their edge. And of course, I've hosted him countless times, and you guys have always asked me to bring him back again and again. I'm speaking of none other than Abdalla Trades. He was here the other time. He was able to break down his strategy, and most people loved it. Most people also tried out his EA, and I'm here to have an amazing conversation with him, because other people also say that if he is a verified trader, if he is a legit trader, we need to see the payouts, we need to see the receipts, we need to see him displaying, and for the first time he's going to be doing that in today's podcast. Thank you so much for coming. Welcome, my brother.
Thank you, brother, again.
Yeah,
I really
feels nice to
appreciate it.
always have you on board, and people love you. And first of all, let me say congratulations for the good job that you're doing. You're doing an amazing thing. I'm always seeing, the screenshots, you posting the trades and everything. It looks like the market has really favored you this year.
Yes. Alhamdulillah, I really appreciate you having me here.
Yeah.
And I absolutely did, alhamdulillah, big payouts,
Yeah.
big profits in this year.
Yeah.
And 2025 was best. And I wish 2026 will
Inshallah.
be better than
Yes,
2025.
yes. Yeah, last time we did a breakdown of the strategy and people loved it. We also did, you also introduced the EA that you've personally built. And I'd love to know, what was the feedback like?
Alhamdulillah, it was better. It was not something that I was
Expecting?
expecting. It was better than my expectation.
Wow.
It really exceeded my expectation, and I'm really happy for that. And I'm really happy that people have loved it. My EA and my strategy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe just to ask, what is the feedback you're getting from the people who have already tried out the EA?
Absolutely beautiful. Even though we have stopped trading December, but alhamdulillah, it was absolutely better. And we keep, reviewing it and, keeping it absolutely with tight risk management.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are doing progress.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah, they are doing better.
Yes, yes. Many people also asked me to try out the EA, so I'll ask him to, lower the price for me so that I can get it. And then I can try it and also show you the results. Actually, I might be doing an exclusive video for that soon.
Inshallah.
So let's hope for the best. And let's talk about the payouts.
No problem.
Because many people, we've had traders who have come here, they've claimed they make this amount of money. I make $100, I make $500, but we've not been able to see them show us the proof that this is my payout.
Yes.
And today you're going to be doing that.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
I'm going to showcase the PROPFIRMs.
Yes, yes.
And one thing, you may see all PROPFIRMs because there are payouts in there which are in 2022. So don't be shocked.
Okay.
And I hope everyone is not shocked.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me have it. This is my first ever payout, which was
Wow.
2024,
Yes.
November.
Wow.
This was TFF. Most people don't know.
That was your first payout.
Not my first payout, but first payout in 2024.
Okay. Oh, 2024. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is TFF through Forex funds. It was a long time ago.
Wow.
This, yeah. 2024, that was a long time. And they even got, they have closed it. Yeah, they did close it.
Yes.
So this is my, let me show you, this is my next one. This is Alpha Capital. The last time I told you I
Yeah, you told me you trade with Alpha.
I
Capital,
trade with Alpha Capitals.
Yeah.
This was my latest payout. And yeah, and this is The ones, let me just showcase everything so that everyone sees everything.
Yes, yes.
This is Alpha Capital. So most the ones that I have are Alpha Capital.
Just go
This
slowly. Just go slowly.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So the first one was 6K.
Okay. The first one was 6K.
No, before that one there was
This
4,000.
This, yes.
Yes. I will do the math. Actually, I will do the math.
no
Is that okay?
No problem.
Let's do the math.
No problem. You do the math.
Yes. So the first one was actually 47.99. Let's go. The next one is 63.20.
Okay.
We have 46.76. We have 42.11. We have 23.12.
This is my Forex funds. They have changed the name.
The name, yeah.
Yeah, they call it some secrets funded right now.
Yes, yes.
But it's my Forex
Forex
funds.
fund, yeah.
My what's it called? Not my Forex funds, but they have my FFX.
My FFX.
Yeah, they have changed the name.
Okay, okay.
So
2034.
Yes. This is 2000. Just calculate as 2000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is another one.
Yes.
This is another one.
Wow. That is crazy.
There are a lot, but let's stop it. You see, there are a lot.
Yeah.
But let's stop it at some time.
Wow.
This is
Bro,
let's just stop it at there.
all these are payouts.
Yeah, let's just stop it at there.
That you've been able to make with just one strategy.
Yes.
The one that you showed us.
Yes. Simple as I've shown the other interview, and I'm willing to show it today.
Today.
The same thing I have shown yesterday, the other video, and I'm willing to refine it.
Yes.
And
Let me ask you a question, because this is one of the most important questions like that I feel like most traders normally ask.
Okay.
At first, when you begin trading, you are normally struggling with your psychology.
Yeah.
Then you start making money.
Okay.
You start passing the challenges. You start failing them.
Okay.
You start first failing them, then you start passing them.
Yes.
Once you get to the funded stage where now you are now receiving the payouts, does it ever change? Does it get any easier?
Once you
start getting the payouts, does the process of does your trading psychology get easier?
Yes, it gets easier, because whenever you get a problem, you already have the experience of the problem, so it will be easier for you to solve that problem. You got my point. So the problem with trading is that it's a repetitive process.
Yes.
You have to repeat same thing every single day. Every single day you have to wake up, repeat every single thing every single day, and do it in a consistent way.
Yes.
You got my point.
Yeah.
So, but the problem is that if you don't understand that in trading, that it's a repetitive process, you may end up searching for a new thing. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So, let's say if you start working from here, point A to point B, continuously,
yes,
after every time, it will be easier for you. You may not understand that you have walked maybe 10 miles, but if you do it frequently, it will be easier for you, and you have the experience.
Yes.
You get my point?
Yeah.
So yeah.
So it gets easier with time.
Yes, it gets easier.
But now you still have to, for it to be easier, you still have to like keep on the discipline.
Yes.
Keep on. It doesn't mean that you stop being disciplined.
Yes.
So it just looks easier because right now you are accustomed to being disciplined.
Yes.
Once you lose the discipline, it gets hard again.
Yes.
Wow.
But once you understand the discipline, it will be hard for you to lose.
Yes.
Unless you got a memory loss. But other than that, it will be hard for you.
Yeah.
So once you get the discipline, it will be like drinking water.
Yes.
Understand? Is it for you is it hard for you to drink a water?
It's very easy.
It's
you
very
don't have
easy.
to think about it.
You don't have to think about it.
Yes.
It will be easier like that.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point? Yeah.
Let's talk about these payouts that you've been able to get. Do you do your payouts bi-weekly? Do you do your payouts monthly? Or it depends with when you get the profits?
It depends whenever I get the profits. As I always say that whenever Propfirms are like generating money. Once you get a profit, let it be 1% or let it be 2%. Get that out. Get that out. Whatever it is. Maybe let it be 1,000. You may see some 1,000 here. Or some may see 2,000 here. Sometimes you see 4,000. Sometimes you see 6,000.
Yeah.
You understand? The thing is that whenever you get a profit from a Propfirm,
Get
the
it.
payout. Get the payout out.
Don't rush and don't wait.
Don't wait.
I want to get 20%,
No.
30%.
Once you get the profits, let it be even 2,000.
Yes.
Let it be 1,000. Whenever you get the profit, get it out, put it into a real account.
Yes.
As I have been doing it.
Yes.
Yes.
And what would you say was the most fulfilling payout you've ever got?
My first payout,
How much was it?
$200.
$200.
Yeah, $245.
You felt very nice.
Nice.
What was the account size?
Why not? Why not?
Yeah, because I mean, it didn't happen overnight. Yeah.
It didn't have, it didn't happen overnight. It was a progress. It was me trusting my process. It was me trusting the system. As I told you, I've developed the strategy. I've developed everything. Maybe I cannot say I've developed. I didn't born with this knowledge.
Yeah.
Maybe I came 70% with it.
Yeah.
And it wasn't easy. But my first ever payout was $245.
Yeah.
I couldn't sleep the whole night.
Wow.
Even though I was struggling for 4 years.
Yes.
Yeah, I couldn't sleep the first night. I couldn't sleep the night that I got it in my finance. I felt happy.
Yes.
Yeah, and that was the time I trusted my system. I've trusted myself. And that time I have put my energy into psychology and left the strategy, all these things. You understand?
So what you're saying is the same strategy that made you $200 is the same strategy that keeps making $6,000, $5,000,
Yes.
$4,000.
Yes.
That is crazy.
Yes, as I've told you, trading is a repetitive process. Understand? You have to do it frequently. You have to do these things consistently. You have to do it. You know, if you have a strategy, let's say if your strategy is ABC, you have to do ABC regardless if whether you are losing or winning. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Whether if you are losing or you are winning, you have to do ABC frequently, consistently. Understand?
Yes.
And then the math will
compound.
will combine, and the math will do it itself.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes. What is the biggest payout you've ever received? Would you be willing to share that?
Yeah, I will give you figures.
Yes. I'll mention figure. You'll tell me more or less. I don't want you to tell me.
Okay.
6,000. More or less.
More.
8,000.
More.
10,000.
Yes. A bit.
Wow.
A bit.
Around there.
Around there.
That's the biggest payout.
Yeah.
From what size?
But I'm willing to go
Higher?
higher.
Okay.
But in 2026, I'm willing to put all the profits that I've made and put it in my real account as I've done it.
Yes, you've already done that.
Yeah, I've already done it.
Oh, that's
I
interesting.
can show you even.
Please do. So
Yeah.
you're going into now trading with your personal account?
Yes.
That is interesting because I normally tell people PROPFIRMs is a good thing.
Yeah.
PROPFIRMs is a good tool to use to make money.
Okay.
But once you've been able to make that money,
Okay.
go personal.
Exactly.
There is a lot of freedom in
Exactly.
personal.
Exactly.
You don't have to wait 2 weeks,
Yes.
24 hours
Yes.
for payouts.
Yes.
It's instant.
Yes.
It should actually be the goal for all traders.
Absolutely, yes.
Yes.
And that's what I always tell people. Use PROPFIRMs as a stepping stone. Get the money, put into your real account or your life account. That's what I always tell people. You can take my point.
Yes.
And that's what I have been doing it. Get the payouts. Don't use it on yourself. Maybe use it just a little
Yes.
and put it into real account. Trade your real account, get the money out, buy PROPFIRMs, get profits.
Go personal.
Go back and forth. And then you get so much money in real account.
Yes.
And then you are not strictly, understand? You get my point?
Yeah.
So, yeah,
So how much have you put in your new personal account?
50K.
Wow.
Yeah.
$50,000.
Yes.
Is it like a challenge that you're taking for the year?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yeah. I'm willing to go, inshallah, higher. And yes, let me show you. This is the 50K.
Okay.
This is the 50K.
Okay.
And
Wow.
yeah, you can see if it's real account or not.
Yes. Yeah.
Abdullah
Real account.
Yeah, yeah.
Or financial?
Financial. I was trading with all financial for more than.
Yes.
I've tested them out,
Yes.
and I've been trading with them for more than a year. Before I fully went into them, they are good, absolutely and utterly good brokers, and yeah, good spread with good slippages and no markups.
Oh, nice.
No markups, good spread and good slippages, and I like them.
They have they have like a raw account.
Yes,
Okay.
zero spreads.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's the commission?
I think 3.5.
3.5?
Yeah.
Not bad. That's good. And what's your target for the end of the year with this $50,000
What I'm
note?
willing to do is, I've proved my legitimacy. I've proved my transparency. What I'm willing to do is connect this 50K account into my FX book and make it public,
Okay.
so that people can see my journey
Yes.
through my FX book.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you're confident in your strategy but limited by account size, listen up. Funded Next gives traders access to large funded accounts, clear rules, and a structure designed to help you grow. You get scalable funding, competitive profit splits, and challenge models that suit different trading styles, whether you are conservative or aggressive. What I like most is their clear objective, transparent rules, and a system that actually rewards disciplined traders. If you believe your age is real and you are ready to trade in the prop industry, Funded Next is a solid place to prove yourself. A discounted link is available on my description. Now, let's get back to the video.
And my goal, I'm not gonna say figures, but I will do my best to reach up to 90, 100.
By the end of the year?
Yeah,
Wow. Trading gold only.
not gold. I don't trade GBPUSD.
Euro USD.
GBPUSD.
GBPUSD.
Yeah, GBPUSD. I don't trade gold.
Yes, yes.
Doing that only.
Yes, yes.
And with that, I will do with all financial only.
Okay.
And I will connect that to my FX book or Abdalla and make everything public, so that people can see.
Can see.
Yeah.
So, Abdallah Trades is going to be the first verified trader that we're going to be experiencing here in Kenya. We've had traders who come, claim they make this money. Of course, sometimes show us the money they've made, but they've not been able to share the investor password. So you're going to be sharing your investor password.
Yes.
Every time you make money, we know. Every time you lose money, we know. Interesting.
Everything you see
Yes.
in my FX book.
In my FX books.
Yes.
Wow. So when are you planning to start the journey?
Inshallah, January.
January.
Yeah.
So you told me December you're not trading.
Yeah, in December I'm not trading.
Why?
I went November. I went to Umrah.
Mashallah.
And yeah, mashallah, alhamdulillah. I did Umrah. December, no volume. My strategy works best when it has a volume. That's the downside of it. So yeah, I didn't trade on December. It has no volume.
The whole month?
The whole month. I used to do even live trading, as I've told you in the last interview. I do live trading every single day on YouTube for free, but with mentorships. I do also live trading every day. And I didn't do November, the whole November, because I went to Umrah, and I didn't do the whole December because I don't trade Decembers. But yeah, I'm willing to do it again in January.
I mean, this is the beauty about Forex trading. You can have months off and
Yeah.
you're already set for life, so you
Yeah.
don't have stress that, oh, I need money for this, I need money for
Absolutely,
this.
absolutely.
I have a quick question that I would like to ask. And how much in total, don't give me a figure as well, would you say you've cashed out from PROPFIRM payouts?
Let's keep that
Personal?
personal.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, interesting. Now, let's talk about something that is very interesting that you're also launching in January.
Okay.
You are launching your own physical classes.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Alhamdulillah. First of all, before I even open for physical classes or even consider, giving out mentorships, I tend to become a profitable trader first before I even teach someone. Because for me to teach you, I have to be a profitable trader first, and then I can make you profitable with the same journey, but with less years that it took me.
Yes.
So the hardest part was me becoming profitable. After I've become profitable, I think I have opened a physical class, physical mentorships, not classes, and I will not offer courses, but I will only offer mentorships.
Yes.
It will be opening on 5th January, inshallah. The crown opening will be on 5th.
I will make sure
January.
I come. Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
It will be 5th January. Yeah, and it's called Trade Flow.
Trade flow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful name.
Very amazing name. It's just a trade flow.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. So what inspired you to decide to open up this?
Well, I have understood the journey's hard, to be honest. and people are, just learning strategies, and maybe taking signals. You understand? So what inspired me is that trading is very, very, very simple. From my side, from my point of view,
Yes.
it's very simple. What makes it hard is that people don't understand their psychology, and they don't understand how to keep the money and how to scale the money, or how to actually make the money.
Yes.
So what actually inspired me is I want to help. I'm a
Just
nice
wanna
guy.
help.
Yeah, I just want to help. I'm a nice guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. So you'll be doing both physical and online.
With the same price, if anyone joins the physical classes, he will get both online and physical.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So I don't do differentiate. I don't do this. This is the price for physical. This is the price for online. I do combine them, and I just tell them, if once you join my student, if you become one of my students, it's lifetime. I will make sure that you become profitable with my teachings or the way I think.
wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. So now let's go back a little bit.
Okay.
Refine the strategy that you taught us last time.
Okay.
Make it simpler maybe for someone who did not understand.
No problem.
And then we can see how we move forward.
No problem.
Amazing.
Let's
go.
do it.
Okay. Yeah. So maybe for anyone who did not understand the strategy,
Okay.
let's break it down again.
No worries. If they did not understand, and
They can watch the video.
they can watch the video
Yes.
to understand.
So just refine it more.
Yeah, I'm gonna refine it.
Yeah.
First, as I have told you, we use 2 time frames.
Yes.
Only 1 hour and 5 minutes.
Yes.
Sorry, 1 hour and 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay, 1 hour is for the trend. Okay, just to identify where we are going. Are we heading up or are we heading
Down.
down? Down. Is it uptrend or downtrend?
Yes.
And for the big reason for us to do that is to buy or sell. Okay,
Yes.
for us to buy or sell, we need to identify if we are in uptrend or if we are in a downtrend. So that's for the 1 hour trend. After identifying the 1 hour trend, after we have understood if it's going uptrend or downtrend, we come to 1 minute and consider moving with the trend that we have understood on the 1 hour. Understand?
Yes.
For example, if the 1 hour is downtrend, the 1 minute should be
Downtrend.
downtrend. If the 1 hour is uptrend, the 1 minute should be downtrend. Now that's the easy part. The second thing, we have steps. Step 1 is identifying the trend. Step 2 is actually, generating revenue or money from the trend that we have understood on step 1.
Yes.
Understand? So now, after we have understood the step 1, understanding the structure or where we are heading, we come to step 2, and the step 2 is understanding or reading candlesticks in the way that I read,
Yes.
in the way of families, candlestick families.
Yes. I remember.
You
Candlestick
remember?
family.
Yeah.
Yes.
Candlestick.
I don't forget this. Yeah.
Yes. Now, step 2 is mostly candlesticks, because we are going to read candlesticks only.
Yes.
Okay? There's no indicator, there's nothing, only candlesticks. Now, if you come to step 2, the thing that I want you to understand is that this is an uptrend, let's say. Give me this.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's say, and this is a red one. Okay? And now there's another green one. Now we have 3 candlesticks. Now this candlestick, a candlestick consists of a high, a high,
and a low.
a low, and a body.
Yes.
Now, if the high of this candle has been broken with a body, okay, now it has been broken with a body.
Yes.
Do you see? You see a body, let's say a body break of structure.
Yes.
Okay, now we have a body break of structure. Now this candle have broken this candle's high. Now, are we going to remove this red candle? No. This two becomes a family. And the idea is this. If this is a green candle and another green candle comes and the high has been broken. Now this has more money than this one. Let's say if this is 100 million, this should be
150 million.
150 million. Right? But for this case, the first candle, if this was 100 million, This candle cannot be more than 100 million because it did not break the high.
Yes.
It did not break the high with a body. Now the next candle broke the body. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Now if this happens, these two are family. Okay?
Yes.
And the reason why I say family is because they share the 150 million.
Yes.
Now the reason why this candle is only 150 million is because it has broken the high of the previous candle.
We are together.
Simple.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And vice versa. If it's going down, let's say this is a red candle. Okay?
We just rub this part for you.
Okay, no problem.
Don't worry. I'm sure they've seen that already.
Yes.
If you don't understand it, just go back and watch again.
Yes. Now, if this is a red candle, okay, and another red candle comes, this means that if this is 100 million, this is more than 100.
Yes.
150 million.
130.
120, more than 100.
Yes.
Right? And it depends on the volume or the bigger the body is. Now, if another candle comes, which is a red candle, and now another green comes, if this is 100 million, this is not 100 million, this is not more than 100 million. We are after the money. Less than 100 million.
Yes.
Now, if another candle comes, which is a red candle, now this 100 millions, its low has been broken with a body, which is a body break structure.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now, these two candles becomes a family. Right?
Yes.
And both of them have the 150 million. They share the 150 million on this candle that took it alone.
Wow.
Are you understanding that?
I'm good.
Now that's good. Now, wrap them all.
This is one of the most interesting classes, guys. So if you are keen enough to be able to make money, receive amazing payouts, just like Abdallah, please watch keenly.
Yeah. Now, let's go back to how we actually follow the structure.
I'm here to tell you about the broker that I do personally recommend. When it comes to execution, transparency, and withdrawals, these really matter. Zelance Markets offers raw spreads plus just $3 commission, giving you the best spreads in the market. No broker ever goes lower than this. You get fast execution, stable trading conditions, and instant deposits and withdrawals through M-Pesa and crypto. No waiting, no unnecessary delays. This is a broker built for serious traders who value efficiency and trust. No hidden games, no excuses when it's time to withdraw. Just a solid trading environment. If you're looking for a broker you can rely on, Zelance Markets is worth checking out. The link is in my description and pinned on my comment section. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, if the structure is an uptrend, it will make high and higher lows.
Yes.
But before it changes on the higher uptrend, it comes on a downtrend, right?
Yes.
Right? And then breaks this here.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Before actually going up. So before it was going down, it has changed. Now it's going up. So in fact, it just looks like this.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Break of this, and then just go back. Just uptrend.
Yes.
Right? And vice versa. If it's going, and if it's going downtrend, okay? If it's going downtrend, it means that it was once an uptrend. Okay?
Yes.
It was once
Uptrend.
an uptrend. Now, what do I wait is a break of structure on here, or on here. The price to change. Okay? Now, remember about the families that I told you. This body break, this break that I am willing to have is the family's body.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
I get the point.
So, if on here, let's say on here, if this was a downtrend and they went up, let's say it was a red candle, a green candle, and a red candle. So, in terms of line chart, you understand about the line chart?
Yes.
In terms on line charts, if you go into line charts, this looks like this.
Yes.
In terms of line chart.
Yes.
This move is this candle.
Yes.
This retracement is this green candle. This that went down is this one. So now in terms of in terms of lines, it looks like this. Are you getting my point?
I get the point.
So now, what do I need? I need a break of this body. Where does this body, where is this body? Here.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Very well.
So now, what do I want? I want a green candle to break above here.
True.
So what do I have? I have a move. This was the body. This was the family. An uptrend, which is this candle.
Yes.
It may be more. It may be more than 2 or more than 3. But the goal is above the body family. This family's body.
Yes, yes.
Once I get this break, I need a retracement. It could be one red candle. It could be one
Red candle.
red candle. Once I get this, I do buy stop, I do stop loss. And this is stop loss, and this is buy stop. And vice versa.
Very simple.
Understand?
Yes.
And vice versa. So that's the simplest way I can explain.
Wow.
And or we can even go on to the laptop
Yes,
and
yes.
even go further
Yes, yes.
to explain more.
So guys, let's check it on the laptop. We've already done this before. I'm going to put the video actually here. If you haven't watched it, just click here and watch it, please. And then you come again and continue watching this video, and you're going to understand it way, way better. So let's get into the laptop.
Now, let me first go through all of them. First, I did talk about the structure.
Yes, yes.
As you can actually see on
Yeah.
here,
Mhm.
you can understand that this is a break structure,
Yes, yes.
and this is the most recent
Yes, yes.
low. This is the high,
Yes.
and the place where I want the price to take out is absolutely here.
Yes.
There. So this is my liquidity part.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So anything between there, I wanna buy. I don't wanna sell. I don't wanna do anything.
Yes.
If I go to 1 minute, so that's the work for 1 hour.
Yes, yes.
We have finished on 1 hour.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
Now we have understood where we are heading or where we are going to.
Yes.
Now, once we understand the 1 hour, we need to find a place where we can enter it from.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We may understand the structure. So if I show you something like this, let's say let's come here, and if you see this candle, this is one candle.
Yes,
Let's say this candle consists of 100 million.
Yes.
Now this candle has been broken
Yes.
low.
Yes.
By how many candles? One,
One,
two, three, four. Four candles.
Yes. Family. Yes, yes.
Family.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And now if you go to the line chart, you can see there is a,
Yes.
you see it?
Yes.
As I've told you, what we need is absolutely something like this, and
Yes.
then sorry.
Okay.
Okay, as I've told you, we need something like this. Okay, and I break that, and then I
Yes.
can go up.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
So if you actually see here, this is the high. This is the body that I want to be taken
Yes.
in terms of line chart.
Yes,
But in
yes.
terms of the candles, this is the family body that I was explaining to you.
Yes, yes.
Once I get that, all I need is just a one candle that just pull backs. You see the volume that it has.
Yes.
Do you see this volume that it has?
Yes, yes.
I only need one candle.
So you
that
don't
comes
buy
in.
here. You
No.
wait for this retest.
This candle.
Yes, this candle.
After I get this one candle, I buy and I put the stop loss down there.
Yes.
I don't buy up above there. I don't buy even if it leaves me. Let
That's
it leave
okay.
me. I don't want that. Are you getting my point? I put the buy stop there and I just stack it 1 to 2 or maybe 1 to 5. It depends. As I've told you
Yes,
the other day.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
You see? So that's the thing. Now,
Wow.
you see how simple it is?
Very simple.
Now,
Let's look for another one.
yes, we can go for another one. If you come here, for example, okay, if you come here, you can understand that this candle has been broken by one.
Are we recording?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay.
You can understand this low has been broken by 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Yes.
Now, the low has been broken by 1, 2.
Yes.
The low has been broken. Now, yes, by 1, 2. Now, these two are family. The high has been taken.
Yes.
Do you see? And we have a retest.
Yes.
If we buy a buy stop here and put a stop loss here, the price still moved the stop loss and
It's
it
taken
didn't
out.
trigger
Yes. Yes.
my order.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm not in.
Yes.
Even though the trade hits stop loss, I'm not in the trade. So now when this happens, all I'm doing is just wait for it to give me another one. Okay? So now as you can see, this low has been taken by this all.
Yes. Yes.
This all family.
Yes,
Now
yes.
this is the high.
Yes.
Okay? Now, you see the move, as I've told you. What are we waiting for?
A retest.
One candle of retest.
Wow.
Buy stop there, stop loss there. Just be repetitive. The thing that kills is stopping the repetition. That's the thing that kills. This thing is just so simple. The thing that kills is the repetition. Most people cannot, continue doing the same thing over and over again.
Until it gets boring, in other words.
It gets boring, but that's the thing that works.
And that's the beauty now of the EA.
Absolutely, yes. The EA just trades the same thing, okay? The EA, the reason why it's taken a long time is because of the December, you understand?
Yeah,
because
true.
of the
Volume.
the less volume.
Yeah.
That's why it's taking less, but usually it takes just 2 hours.
2 hours.
Less than 2 hours sometimes.
Wow, that's good.
Just less than 2 hours. Just two big candles when there's a volume, just 2 big candles, and that's it. And the beauty of EA is that I've developed the same thing that I'm showing right now. I can even show you and show you the demo of it. Yeah,
Wow. Let's go through the EA.
no problem.
So we are about to see the EA play out in real action on MT5.
Yes.
And of course, you can actually trade on the laptop or the computer or the desktop and actually monitor it on your phone.
Yes.
So let's go.
Welcome to my journey. So
Yes.
this is right now. It has been developed with the logics of my strategy
Yeah.
or my system. Now it's searching for my strategy or the logics behind it for you to take a trade. And if you can see this purple line, this red line, let's see maroon line, and there's a purple line. That's the highs, the lows, and the body of the candles. Because I already told you that I always depend on the candlesticks.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So now if you check everything now, do you see it? It did put a buy stop.
A buy stop, yeah.
What did it put? A stop
stop
loss. And the reason why it put there is because a body was taken there.
Yes,
A
yes.
body was broken there.
Yeah.
Now remember, it needs to follow the 1 hour. So if you check on 1 hour, you can clearly see that it's an uptrend.
Yes.
Okay, this is the uptrend. That's the high, the low that has lower high.
Yeah.
The lower high was broken on there. So now this is the low, and that's the high. So now we need to take that high out. Okay. So now if we go back to 1 minute, now it did put a buy stop and it did put
A
a stop loss. So now if we go up, it triggered it.
Yes,
Now
yes.
we're in a buy trend.
Yes.
That's the stop loss. That's the trend. And let me see, that's the take profit.
Yes.
So let me make it beautiful.
TP hit.
TP hit.
Wow.
Now, I'm not going to showcase you one trade. I'm going to let it run.
Yes.
And you will just have to wait for a little, let's say, just...
Longer?
No, just 5 minutes
Yes.
for it to work out.
Yes.
And we can see the balance that it generates.
Okay. Yes.
The balance that it generates on here. Okay. It's just fluctuations.
Yes.
Going back and forth, going back and forth.
Yes.
Understand? And how the whole trading works.
If you've been struggling with discipline, entries, or consistency, listen carefully. This expert advisor built by Abdalla Trades is based on a proven trading strategy, not hype. With a documented 75% win rate, it works on personal trading accounts and is also PROPFIRM friendly. It is designed to help you pass challenges while respecting rules and risk. No guessing, no revenge trading, just systematic execution. There's a clear performance report to back it up. So you are not buying promises, you're buying data. If you want an automation that actually follows rules and protects capital, this EA does the work while you manage the bigger picture. Purchase it today using my link in description and get 16% discount.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now we are on 110.
Yes, yes.
Let us just wait. It's moving fast.
Yeah, yeah. So ideally, it's like it's showing you a simulated version of if you are in a trade, how much you would actually
Yes,
make.
with this strategy.
Yes.
Yes, it shows you that.
Interesting.
Yeah,
So how long is it gonna go? For like 5 minutes?
just like that.
Yeah.
You're just gonna wait. It's going to take that trade. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay.
And now we are on 116.
Wow. Interesting.
Yeah.
So trades have been taken.
I think, yeah, let it run. Maybe we may stop it till or even,
We can stop it there.
no, you can let it run. Yeah, maybe.
It stops.
You can stop.
Yes, yes.
119.
From
100.
100,000.
Yeah, from 100,000.
Wow, that's like 19% up. That's good stuff, man.
Yeah.
The EA is still on sale.
Yeah,
How much?
1,500.
1,500.
Last time it was 1350.
Yes, yes.
Now it's 1,500
Yes, yes.
because of the demand.
Yes,
You
the
get me?
demand is getting higher,
Yes.
guys. Grab it while it still lasts. I'm going to put the number in the description. I'm going also to put his social media links there if you want to connect with him, if you want to join his mentorship. You've heard that he's going to be launching a physical office in January. Guys, I can't wait to see what 2026 holds for you. From
Inshallah,
you
brother.
running the challenge that you've
Inshallah.
already made the deposit of $50,000.
Yes.
From you mentoring students, from you making good use of this EA to empower people and help people make money. Wallahi, bro, may Allah bless you.
Thank you so much, brother.
Yeah, bro. So
I really appreciate you inviting me here.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate that you have me on here.
Yeah.
And we will do great works.
yes.
Inshallah.
So guys, you're
Of
asking for
course.
a verified trader who has payouts and he's here, who has shown us how his EA works. And you guys have seen Abdallah Trades, our very, very fast verified trader. And we're going to be doing our best to be bringing more and more purely verified traders. That is why every time you ask me, you've not brought this guy, you've not brought this guy, we are yet to verify the information. So thank you so much for coming, bro. Really appreciate you. This
No problem,
has been the Mind of a Trader podcast. I've been your host, presenter Ali. I'll see you guys in the next video.
If you're watching this and Forex trading is something you're serious about, listen closely. At Nairobi Forex Training Institute, we don't just teach theory, we build traders. Whether you're a beginner trying to understand the markets or an intermediate trader struggling with consistency, we offer structured mentorship to guide you step by step. Our classes are available physically at Aiden Plaza, Ngara, mezzanine floor, and online, so you can learn from anywhere. You'll get real market understanding, proper risk management, and mentorship that goes beyond just charts, because trading success needs guidance, not guesswork. If you're ready to stop jumping from strategy to strategy and start learning the right way, Nairobi Forex Training Institute is where your trading journey begins. Contact the number on your screen for more information.
The Mind of a Trader podcast, where we outthink the market.